Hello students, welcome to today's session. So just now I got one question from one of my students, and this one is previous year question asked in NEET 2016, I think. Okay, NEET 2016, and it is related to gravitation. And as per the question, you need to get the value of height at which the gravitation potential has this particular value and acceleration due to gravity this particular value. That means you have to get the value of h at what height from the surface of earth you will get potential equal to minus 5.4 into 10 power 7 and acceleration due to gravity equal to 6 meter per second square, and radius of earth is given. So you need to get the value of h. Okay, I think you know the expression for potential and acceleration due to gravity. So what is the expression for potential? Potential at any height, that is given by minus gm divided by r plus h, right? Similarly, acceleration due to gravity, we can write expression for acceleration due to gravity, that is gm divided by r plus h whole square. Now this acceleration due to gravity can be written in terms of Vh. How? You just multiply, or you can split this, or not multiplication, just you can split this gm divided by r plus h into 1 divided by r plus h. So that is nothing but gh value itself, right? Now if you look at this, if you just look at this, that is nothing but Vh, right? One minus sign extra you have to write, but this value, that is nothing but Vh. So you can write this as Vh, right? So I will write this as minus Vh into 1 by r plus h, correct? No, this value is nothing but minus of Vh, minus of Vh. So gh, that is equal to minus Vh divided by r plus h. So our intention is to calculate h, right? You can just rearrange this. So r plus h, that is equal to minus Vh divided by gh. So you know the value of Vh, you know the value of gh, and you know the value of h, r. So you require just h, so just rearrange for h. So what do you get? H, that is equal to minus Vh divided by gh. So minus r, so not h, minus r, right? So you know all the values, just substitute it. So what is minus Vh? Minus of 5.4 into 10 power, how much that? 7, right? Divided by gh value is 6, I think, minus radius of earth 6.4 into 10 power 6, right? You can just simplify this, just simplification. Okay, here actually minus of minus, right? This is minus of minus, because we have considered Vh equal to minus 5.6. So here already one minus sign is there, so minus of minus. So if you just simplify this, okay, so you will get around 2600 into 10 power 3. So 10 power 3 can be written in terms of kilometer. That means 2600 kilometer. So that is the value of h. This is our answer, right? Yes. So 2600 kilometer. That means at a height of 2600 kilometer, you will have the value of potential, that is value of potential V equal to minus 5.4 into 10 power 7, and acceleration due to gravity at this particular height will be equal to how much? 6.4 into 10 power 6. Okay, so with its units. Okay, so I hope this one is clear. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.